Google has just launched its new image generator, Nano Banana 2, and the results are already turning heads. This model produces up to 4K quality images in different aspect ratios, and it does so quickly without sacrificing creativity. It can generate consistent characters across storyboard images using simple text prompts. The same face, the same outfit, the same mood, frame after frame. It also comes with predefined image styles, allowing you to generate visuals in a wide range of looks without a complicated setup. Text rendering has been seriously upgraded. It can create sharp, accurate text inside images, perfect for infographics, posters, and marketing materials that actually look polished. You can translate text into different languages with precise accuracy while preserving the original design of the image. No broken layouts, no distorted typography. So the real question is simple. How good is it actually? In this video, we're going to test this new model with different prompts and see what it handles brilliantly and where it still struggles. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest updates. So without further delay, let's get started. To access this tool, you need a paid Gemini API key to test it in Google AI Studio. Here in Google AI Studio, you have several controls for image generation. You can choose text and image output or image-only output. You can also select the aspect ratio from the available options. The good thing about this model is that you can generate high-quality images up to 4K resolution. For real-time information and results, you can turn on the Google search option. For the sake of this video, I will test this tool in Gemini since I have a pro subscription. As a free option, you can use the LM Arena website by selecting the chat option at the top and then clicking on the image icon. Here you can see that Gemini Flash 3.1 is selected, which is actually the Nano Banana 2 model. Let's start with a basic text prompt in Gemini. Here, I have asked it to generate an image of a child looking up at a giant ancient robot from ground level with a towering perspective exaggeration. I will set the aspect ratio to landscape. I will copy the same prompt and paste it here in the LM Arena. Here we have the result from Gemini, and you can see that the prompt is followed perfectly with a daylight scene. The result looks quite impressive. And here we have the stunning result in the LM Arena. Both results look good. You can also switch back to Nano Banana Pro by clicking on the 3 dots. With a single reference image, this model also handles character consistency very well using simple text prompts. You can see that the character's appearance remains consistent throughout the entire story. This model can also generate complete, consistent storyboard scenes in grid form. To test this tool for realistic images, I pasted a prompt to generate an ultra-realistic image of a 30-year-old male AI tech creator with additional details. Here we have the realistic result with clean facial details. And here are a couple of other realistic images. You can clearly see how the prompt details are followed. In this athlete image, the details are captured accurately as well. In this crying scene, the expression looks more natural, with realistic tear reflections and natural skin texture. So this tool handles realistic images very well. The text capability of this model has also improved compared to the previous version. Here, I generated an infographic-style image of key technology milestones from 1990 to 2035. And look at this amazing result with accurate text details. Here are some other great examples of text incorporation. This model also handles text translation into other languages with precision. Overall, the quality and speed of image generation have improved with this updated model. Take advantage of this update and generate some amazing results for your next project. What do you think about this model? Share your thoughts in the comments section. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.